But a 5-minute walk from the Maritime Museum, which is here, is the H.R. Macmillan Planetarium. So we're gonna go catch a planetarium show. There's an actual dome for you astronomers there, an observatory dome. So the Gordon Southam Observatory. So we're gonna go check that out. We can't go inside, evenings only, obviously, because not too many people observe in the daytime. The Gordon Southam Observatory is the same kind of thing. So telescope, half-meter telescope, the Cassegrain telescope, and they do viewings on Fridays and Sundays, I believe. It's closed now, but we're gonna go look at the dome at least and check the dome out and show you guys what that looks like. And then there's a courtyard with a bunch of cool space objects and space suits and space stuff. So it'll be really cool, guys. So this is the planetarium, guys. Yeah. H.R. Macmillan Space Center, guys. So here we go, let's go to space. So this is the scale. Wave starts radio waves, micro, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-ray, gamma. I was talking about the different telescopes. So here's an image, the Very Large Array, the radio observatory, Canadarm there. Make sure you check my video out. That's one of the pictures. Spitzer Space Telescope, infrared telescope. That's what the image looks like. The Hubble, the visible light, orbits the Earth once every 93 minutes. The XMM Newton telescope is ultraviolet. It takes ultraviolet frequency spectrum measurements. Works outside of Earth's radiation belt. And then the Chandra telescope is X-ray. Black holes, neutron stars, supernovas. 100 times fainter than any previous X-ray telescope. The Crab Nebula, the supernova remnant with a rotating neutron star called a pulsar. That's cool. The full image is a combination of all of them. If brick could talk, what's this? Canadian robotics. A close-up of the Canadarm too. This is Canada's pride and joy, guys. So, Canadian robotics leads the way. Multi-jointed arms, human-like sense of touch, delicately grips equipment. Canada's arm. Okay. So this is the Cosmic Courtyard, guys. They got a lot of cool space stuff. Like there's a spacesuit on the moon. So let's go. Let's take some look at some stuff here. This is a 13-kilogram nickel iron meteorite found in Gibeon, Namibia. Would have created a 1-meter wide crater. It's a meteorite. It's an actual piece of nickel and iron. You can actually see it too. Wow. So that's Sudbury for you guys, right? Sudbury, Ontario. Nickel and iron. That's huge iron mining deposits, right? Car batteries as well. Big car batteries. So the moon gets hit pretty hard with asteroids, you can see. Right? All the impacts. So that's pretty cool. Crater on the coast. They heat up to 28,000 degrees when they're coming through the atmosphere. If it landed in the Georgia Strait, it would produce 30 to 100 meter waves. Tektite, darker stones of tektites, hardened remains of molten silicates that crashed into the Earth millions of years ago. Moldavite, seaweed-colored stone, 15 million years ago. Iron meteorite again, right? And the whole asteroid seeding life, right? With everything on it, the whole like Star Trek, an asteroid hits a planet and then the life erupts from it, right? asteroids. That's pretty cool. The moon, right? The probes, they were discussing that. Moon buggy. The Apollo missions, right? I remember I was telling you guys about the submarine from the Maritime Museum and the Apollo mission and how it was kind of overshadowed. Well, that's the moon mission, right? The mission of the moon. The moon's pull in the oceans is slowing down the Earth's rotation, making each day 2 milliseconds longer every 100 years. When dinosaurs roamed our planet, a day lasted 23 hours. In 1 billion years, a day will be about 29.5. Wow. That's mind-blowing. The Apollo program. 12 astronauts on the moon. December 21st, 1968, Apollo 8 was the first mission to carry astronauts to the moon. This is a lunar camera, coveralls. So that's the lunar camera. We got NASA coveralls, wind-up shaver, space food, and a space suit. Very similar to diving though, right? Like we were looking at the diving suits, and you could see how they would kind of go together. Orion, all the different spacecrafts. More satellites, that's made out of Lego, that one. Apollo program, Artemis program. Multi-purpose vehicle, 4 astronauts. The Lunar Gateway, a small station constructed in the moon's orbit. From the Lunar Gateway, astronauts will journey to the moon. Oh yeah, the tiles. The heat's the tiles. Low temperature reusable surface insulation. Can handle temperatures of up to 650 degrees Celsius. So that's the white tile here, right? That one. And then the black tiles, this one. They're reusable too. High temperature reusable surface insulation. Oh, is this about the heat conduction? Well, it's just the heat transmission and conductivity. What's this? Oh, this is an engine, jet engine. A thruster from the space shuttle. How do these welds look? They are surprisingly mediocre for a spacecraft. I'm kind of shocked actually. I've seen better than that on like things that don't really matter all that much. So the welds are actually staggeringly bad for a space shuttle. They're horrible for a space shuttle. Like, look at that. Like it's like globby and it's a lack of fusion all over the place. Like somebody ground here. Somebody used the grinder here. No, the welds on this are not the greatest, man. Space station. The Canadarm, that's our pride and joy. Dextre. Alrighty guys, so we finished up the planetarium. That was like, again, the theme with my channel is it's hard to describe things to you guys because we pick good things here on Sasquatch Prospector. But anyways guys, the scale, again, like I said that in my old astronomy video, but like 100 billion or hundreds of billions of stars. a billion's 1,000 million. So it's like, yeah.